Welcome to this guide on how to use Google Drive. Google Drive is a powerful tool that allows you to store documents, collaborate with others, and free up space on your devices. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the basics so you can start managing your files with confidence. To begin, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. This will take you to the Google Drive homepage where you can access all your stored files. Once inside, you'll see the main dashboard. Here, your documents, spreadsheets, PDFs, and folders are displayed. This layout is designed to give you a clear overview of your content, helping you find and manage files quickly. Now let's create and upload new content. Look for the New button marked with a plus sign. Clicking this allows you to create documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and even new folders for organizing your files. When creating a new folder, give it a thoughtful name. This makes it easier to keep everything organized and accessible. If you want to bring in files from your computer, select File Upload. You can choose any document, image, or PDF and upload it directly into your drive. For larger tasks, you can upload entire folders at once using the Folder Upload option. This feature is especially convenient when dealing with bulk content. And that's it. You now know how to navigate Google Drive, create new content, and upload files or folders. With these basics, you're ready to stay organized and make the most of Google Drive's flexibility.